Hi, my name is Weronika Shava. I've been in UK since 2004. I come from a beautiful city in north of Poland, Szczecin. So if you ever visit Poland, make sure you come down to Szczecin. I've been working in finance for many years and I joined Step-by-Step Financial Solutions in 2017. The thing that I enjoy the most about my job is the fact that I can help people to make their dream about buying a house come true. The thing that I enjoy about my job the most is the fact that I can help people to make the dream about buying a house come true and make the process as simple as possible for them.